Good morning, fourth graders. This video will help you with the vocabulary worksheet for the Antarctic Journal story. If you'll see, the vocabulary words were posted. This is Mrs. Jackson's classroom. She posted both slides, the actual words and their definitions here, and then the work that you need to do. So if you weren't sure what the words mean, I would go back and forth between these two tabs and keep them open. All right. So it says, choose the word from the box that best matches each definition. Write the word on the line. Number 1 says to go away. So I pick my choices here: anticipation, forbidding, continent, heaves, iceberg, convergence, depart. So if I flip back here, which word meant to go or leave away? And so I scan quickly and I see to go, leave away, and the word was depart. So I'll type depart for number 1. Number 2, large masses of ice floating in the sea. Many of you probably know what that one is by just looking here, but if you weren't sure, you could flip through over here, and then I say large masses of ice detached from a glacier and floating in the sea would be icebergs. Good. Number 3, expectation. So I look through here and I flip back and I see, where do I see the word expectation? Act of anticipating, looking forward to, expectation. So here it is. So the word would be anticipation. Number 4, rises and falls alternately. So I look at my definitions and I think, rises, there it is, rises and falls. So the word would be heaves. Number 5, causing fear or dislike. So I look through and I see right here, causing fear or dislike, looking dangerous or unpleasant, and that would be forbidding. And so I'll click on number 5 and I'll write forbidding. All right, and we go down to the second part of the worksheet, but we're still using the same words in the check the words you know box. Choose the word from the box that best completes each sentence. Write the word on the line shown to the left. Antarctica is a blank on our planet. Well, I look through. The only one that makes sense would be continent. But if I check here, one of the 7 great masses of land on Earth. The continents are North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. So yes, it is a continent. So I'll type in the word continent. Number 7, scientists are studying the blank of 2 large sheets of ice. Well, the only one I haven't really used here is the word convergence. So let's check to see what that means. The act or process of meeting at a point. So scientists are studying 2 large sheets of ice. Yeah, convergence makes the most sense, where 2 blocks of ice are coming together. Number 8, I could barely stand the blank of seeing my first whale. So I think that would be the excitement or your expectation, and that would be anticipation. And it's okay that we're using the words again, because there are 10 questions and I believe only 8 words. 7 words. Number 9, the ship had to make sure to avoid any floating. Well, the only thing that could be floating here would be icebergs. And number 10, we have to blank from Antarctica tomorrow. And I'm thinking the word is leave, and the one that means leave would be depart. At the bottom, you have to write a journal entry. Write a journal entry you might make after sailing across icy waters to Antarctica. Use as many vocabulary words as you can. So you'll click here in the box and you can be typing. And I'm going to just restate what it says here in the directions. After sailing across icy waters to the, and then I'm going to add that vocabulary word, continent, Antarctica. I didn't spell it right, Antarctica. I saw many, and then you can talk about the things that you see. You could see icebergs. You could talk about how you were the anticipation of maybe seeing an iceberg. You can use depart, meaning you could leave. You could say you saw the convergence of, and use 2 large sheets of ice. And so I think 3, 4, maybe 5 sentences would be good here. You can always, if it doesn't fit, you can always change the size of the font and make it smaller so more words will fit here. All right, great job.